My beautiful people, I got the goodies. I got goodies today. I actually have to do a back-to-back on this one because supposedly I'm getting the delivery for the Jordan stuff in just a little bit. I saw it on the internet. But you know what? I'm not even going to waste my time talking to you about this. I'm going to get straight to the goodies that I got right here. And I got good stuff, guys. I got Corteiz. I have some New Era. I got the New Era tee. My first time I ever have an actual New Era tee. I heard hype about it. I said, you know what? Let's cop it. I got good stuff, guys. Let's start off, of course, with my favorite part of it all, and it's the fitteds, guys. Here we go, guys. And of course, massive cleaver. I told you the massive cleaver ain't going nowhere, guys. Ultimate protection. You can't go wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? Just imagine. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's not even believable. Let's go. Let's do. I'm not gonna lie to you, dude. Check that out, dude. Yo. I slid my shit one time with this thing, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I joked around about it one time. And I honestly just know it was gifted to me by my oldest son. And I really don't know where the hell he got this, guys. So if you guys are looking for something like this, look for it as Mini Cleaver, the ultimate protection. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's see what we got over here. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, yes, the colors. I know immediately what it is. Very limited, guys. Very limited. This hat, this is from New Era, directly from New Era. And, man, it didn't say the price here. Anyways, who cares? Check the, oh, yeah, it says it on the lid. That's horrible, bro. That's horrible. I'm so used to looking at the little invoice thing. 47 smackaroonies. Oh, wait till you see this bad boy right here. Oh, this is devil. Check this out, baby. The Miami Knights 305 Miami Marlins, guys. This is a must-have for any New Era collector. Yes, guys, all New Era collectors, it is a must-have to have this hat. This is beautiful. It is actually worn on field, as you guys can see right there on the lid, and it has the gradient, the pink to that nice teal color, like bluish tealish color, you could say. And nice, look at that embroidery, guys. The 305 Day Cane, and you see the Marlins very beautifully sewn on, guys. Beautifully sewn on. You see the New Era logo in pink, and you see the MLB logo in the back with the aqua and the pink and the teal or whatever. And the little button in the top, guys, it is in teal. Very, very beautiful. The inside of the hat, I noticed that they actually put this. I don't know if it's just me that they added that. I haven't really paid attention to the rest, but you can see it right there. You know, on field for on-field players. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. I like this beautiful hat. But automatically one of my favorite hats of my whole collection. This is a must for all the collectors, guys. This is a must right here, especially for me, guys. I have, I don't know, probably over 1,000 hats, give or take, you know, probably a lot more than that, including my memorabilia, autographed and stuff like that. And I collect hats probably even more than actual sneakers. I love hats, guys. Everything. Sometimes I just stash them away and I wear them. Sometimes I don't wear them, you know. It is what it is, but this is a must for any collector, guys. You guys got to cop this right here. Very beautiful. So now, let's hit up the other New Era that I got, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, here it is. Straight from Supreme. Yes. You got to add the years to it at the end, guys. Yes, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Wow, bro. Look at this gorgeousness. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Have I ever told you lately that I love you? I almost forgot the lyrics there for just a second. You know, guys, I just go with it. I just go with it. I always go with it. Here it is, guys. The Supreme New Era. Very beautiful. Teal, that nice teal. Oh, I'm confused with the other hat now. Now I'm just stuck with the other hat with the teal. No, guys, it's not teal. It is navy blue. No, it's not navy blue either. Navy blue is in the top. No, guys, it's UNC blue right there. Or you could call it baby blue, powder blue, whatever people like to call it. And as you guys can see right there, of course, perfect stitching, Supreme, and the nice baseball lettering with a nice little curve in the bottom. Beautiful. I love this hat all the way through. And it has the navy, like I said, on the back side of the whole hat. And if you see the things that actually divide all the little paneling on the hat, it's actually like in a nice wax type of material, kind of shiny. Very beautiful detail all the way through, very nicely sewn. Going all the way to the back, you see the Supreme logo, very nicely sewn as well. Very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. I love this hat all the way through, and I got this hat to actually match it with the UNC, the ones that I just reviewed a few days ago, just to put it with that hat. So this, and at the same time, I'll actually probably wear it with my UNC black toes too. The UNC toes, they call them. Those right there, guys. This is a beautiful hat, a must-have for all Supreme collectors and also New Era collectors. Why not? You know, unless you dislike Supreme. And hey, that ain't my fault that I do that. It ain't my fault. And now we get to the good stuff, guys. And what is the good stuff? Yes, my first New Era t-shirt. I heard a lot of hype about it, like I said. Hey man, they're great quality. You gotta check it out. It comes in a great presentation. You gotta check them out. So I said, you know what? Let me cough up the cheddar, guys. And in this case right here, this hat, oh, not a hat, the t-shirt, goes for $44.99 plus shipping, the whole shebang. You guys know already how I do this. On the first feel, I know already the GSM on these bad boys, guys. And let's see. All right, damn, it's nice, man. It's nice. Check out the packaging on this bad boy, dude. That's a nice packaging right there. This is like, you know, some fear God type of stuff right there. Look at that, bro. Oh man, so far they're selling me. So far, New Era. You guys so far are selling me on the stuff. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at this. How beautiful with a nice little thing. I don't even know what the hell they had that in there, but look at this. Yes, guys. Yes. Off the rip, it is 200 plus GSM, guaranteed. This is good stuff. Check this beauty out, guys. What a gorgeous t-shirt all the way through, man. And look at this. Look at the tags, guys. It actually comes with like a spare. I don't know if this is spare or it's just for nice, you know. And it says brand New Era. And it's the actual tab in the back of a like a snapback, you could call it. Nice heavy tag, very heavy tag. Has a little ball chain holding it in white. Very nice, man. This is great. What a superb quality all the way through. And in the back, guys, in the top, it says New Era Cap Company Incorporated with the New Era logo. And on the actual sleeve, it has the New Era logo sewn on to the actual sleeve. Very, very beautiful, man, all the way through. I love the design. The design is that nice baseball hat, you know, with like I like to curve the lids. You know, I'm a curving lid guy. I love curving the lids. I don't like the flat brim. You know, I did that whole 90s stuff already, way too much already. So now I curve them up. And man, it's so pretty though all the way through, you know. I that's like the most I could call it, the prettiness, you know. Nice 3D look right there. Very, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. And now we get to the sold out immediately, guys. Yes, this was immediately sold out because you know how it always works. I don't know if they restocked or not. Yes, the infamous Corteiz, my first ever Corteiz t-shirt. I got this shirt because I actually bought the Corteiz Air Max 95s. I actually got them. I'm looking forward big time to those shoes, guys. Those sneakers, I love them. At least when it comes to the looks of it and stuff like that. And no, guys, I don't look at other reviewers whatsoever because then it influences my mind of what to say and what not to say. But as an actual sneaker reviewer myself, or influencer, or whatever the hell you guys want to call it, I like to have a raw look of the actual shoe. You know what I'm saying? Just like I throw it down with the G-strings, you know what I'm saying? Raw, you know what I'm saying? I think I went too far on that one. Sorry about that, guys. Actually, I'm not sorry at all. Who gives a shit? I'm a primate. I love it. I love the fur burgers. I love the G-strings. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be holding yourself back all the time in life. Oh, be careful what you say. I ain't being careful nothing, dude. You know what I'm saying? You get it. You don't like it. Don't look at it, man. You know what I'm saying? Raw and uncut. Talking in the living room. You guys are the fam, my homies. We talk how it is, you know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, right there on the left titty, you see the Corteiz logo, register little circle right there. They have to add the register. Yes, guys. And it's very nicely detailed. I love it. When it comes to the back, it's the exact same logo, a giant across the whole back. Very, very nice. And you see the logo right on the top. The Cortez logo with a little star in size large. And just so you guys to know, I actually weighed myself. Yes, I actually weighed myself. And the last time I weighed myself, I was on 172. Well, guys, I've gained some weight, baby. I'm getting heavy duty up in this joint, baby. I'm at 175. Oh, you know what I'm saying? I drank water. A lot of water. You weigh yourself, you know what I'm saying? You get the guns, you know? At least you make believe it. You got the guns. But yes, guys, as you guys can see it right there, very, very nice fitting. It's a little more of a box look. It's not a very long t-shirt or a classic fitting t-shirt. It's more the boxy look, but it's still perfect. I love it very much, and I think it was well worth the money, 100%. I think the t-shirt went for 65, guys. It was something like that, $65. But you guys know already that anything that comes with Cortez, once it sells out, that's it, man. Yeah, it's just like Supreme. $150, $200, $300 for a t-shirt. And a little side tangent over here. People are asking me, how is it that you actually buy Cortez? Cortez is a little difficult when it comes to things. You gotta wait till they drop things. I've never checked if they have an app. I don't think they do. They do it very underground style, guys. That is actually one thing that I love about Cortez. And besides that, it actually comes from England. I love it. This package actually came directly from England. And very nice, man. The whole way that they function things and their cult following. And I think it's just amazing. I think it's great what they have done over there with that company. And of course, there's not much else you can say. Quality on point, over 200 GSM. It's very beautiful. And the pricing is very good too. The only difference is that, like I said, once the resellers get their hands on it, it's gonna go up the roof, guys. It's gonna go up the roof. Like, for example, I bought the Cortez, and let's just say the Air Maxes, the Air Max 85s, and I got shafted on it, man. I got shafted really hard on that because I couldn't hit on them. But you know, I'm gonna say the whole story once I receive the shoes and show them to you. But let's just say I jumped the gun a little too quick, but I'll get to those details later on. But I think that they're doing a great job, great quality. Will I purchase again? Yes, I would, 100%. And, you know, if it's a t-shirt that I really want like that, I'll pay the resale for it, but it is what it is, guys. That's pretty much it for today, guys. I got the Jordan gear coming up. That Jordan gear is not a lot of gear, guys, when it comes to the Jordan. I think it's like 2 pieces, 2-3 pieces. I think it's 2 pieces. But the thing is how important these pieces are. And just in case, you know, hopefully you guys can still have a chance to get these pieces when it comes to Jordans. They're very limited. It's so, last time I checked, it wasn't that it sold out, you know, but it just said very few left, and it was instant right when they released. And you know, I don't know, guys, when it comes to these actual t-shirts, I think one of them you'll be able to get, you know, through retail. The other, I don't know. But we'll keep it to there. I'll bring you the video, guys, as soon as I get the actual clothing. That should be today. And, you know, you guys decide for yourself if you want to jump on something like this. Anyways, guys, till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! Cortes.